Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this brilliant Toyota Auris 1.8 VVT-h Excel CVT. Now this vehicle is currently on 78,841 miles and it's finished in the very vibrant colour Tokyo red. It does come with 4 previous Toyota services. It's a very fuel efficient vehicle. Sits very nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, giving you great visibility. Taking a look at the boot here, you do have 360 litres of boot space, which can be increased to 1,200 with the rear seats down. Take a look inside to the rear here, you do have your very nice black leather interior with the contrast white stitching. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle as well. Taking a look inside here up front, you have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. The leather continues up front here and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. Here to the left of the steering wheel, you've got some controls for the infotainment system. To the right, you have your controls for the trip display along with access to your cruise control and your lane departure warning system. Your display here provides you access to all of your trip information. This Auris is equipped with Park Assist. Pressing the button there will activate it. Simply follow the instructions on the display here and the vehicle will park for you. You also have the pre-crash safety alert to alert you of potential hazards to keep you safe. You do have your touchscreen infotainment system here in the centre of the dashboard with access to DAB, FM and AM radio along with USB connectivity, auxiliary input, CD player and Bluetooth. You also have navigation to ensure you're never lost. You do have Toyota Online with access to different applications. You also have your Bluetooth telephone menu here as well, where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. On the system, you do also have access to all of your trip information. You can also look at the energy monitor for the hybrid system. You can see your past records of your trip display. You also have your reverse camera along with front and rear sensors to make parking super easy. You do have your dual zone climate control here underneath the display. Underneath there, you'll also find your heated front seats with a choice of temperatures. Your automatic gear selector there in the centre. Moving down below this, you'll find your different driving modes. You have your EV, Eco mode, and your Power mode to change the vehicle's performance.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.